This video will introduce you to searching using RitzDiscovery. The most powerful tool on our library's website is the RitzDiscovery search box. We like to call it your academic alternative to Google because it's a single search box that searches across almost all of our collections and databases at once, but the search results will be entirely different than what you would get with Google. You will find books from our collection, ebooks that can be accessed from anywhere, reliable online encyclopedia entries, educational videos, and articles from academic journals, popular magazines and newspapers, and many more sources that would cost money to access elsewhere. It takes a little time and experimentation to learn how to effectively search with RitzDiscovery, but it's well worth the effort. Your approach to searching RitzDiscovery is going to be very different from using Google. With Google, you can use natural language. You can ask a question or rely on Google to correct your spelling or search for related terms. With RitzDiscovery, you have to do that work yourself. RitzDiscovery searches the exact words you type, and it is looking for results that have all of those exact words, so there are very few situations where it would work to ask a question. You need to pick just a few keywords to start your search, keywords that capture the main ideas of your topic, and you need to brainstorm alternate sets of keywords and related terms or synonyms to try several variations of your search. Let's say you're interested in researching renewable energy. You might start by using just those two words, renewable energy, but you could also try a different search using the keywords alternative energy or green energy. When you hit search, you'll get to a results page like this. We recommend you sign in right away so you can save items of interest and keep track of your search history. Like with Google, you'll likely get more results than you could possibly read. But unlike Google, you'll have more control over narrowing down those results to just what you want. In the column to your left, there are many ways to refine and filter the results list, including by date range, resource type, subject heading, and more. We encourage you to explore the possibilities here and try different filters. In the main area on the right, for each result, you will see a brief item record with the resource type, the title, the author, when it was published, and where it appeared if it was part of something larger like a magazine or an encyclopedia. You'll also see some subject headings, which can be used to help you think of other keywords to try. I've just narrowed my search to books from 2015 to 2020. And I've sorted my books to show the most recent results first. For print books, you'll see a call number. For ebooks or other digital items, you'll see a link to view online. If you click on a title, you'll get to a more detailed item record. Here, you'll find a ready-made citation tool and information about accessing the item. This one is a print book, so I see its call number. Let's take a look at an online resource. Here's an ebook. If I want to view it online, I would click here, eBook Central Academic Complete. You may need to log in with your MyDCC username and password at this point. For some articles, you will see just one database listed under full text availability, and that will take you right to the article, like this one. Other articles may appear in multiple databases, and you can pick any of them. If you need help with searching, please do not hesitate to reach out to a librarian through our chat service, or you can use the book librarian to make an appointment at your convenience from our library homepage. Good luck with your research!